Hello and good day, traders. Previously, in the weekly review of GBP USD, we mentioned that this candlestick, just to inform you, we are in day time frame at the moment. So we mentioned you that this is a very huge momentum candlestick in day time frame, and we expected that something like this will happen, that it will go high and it will retest. Now it is retesting. So in first retest it failed. Now it is doing the second retest in the time frame. You can see this. So what happened here, the development is that we don't have this confirmation of this double top in the time frame. As you know that this was the bottom which created this top, and this top created this bottom, and now this bottom is created this top already, and we have a double bottom officially, we can declare. So if we say now that it is a pattern 5, P5 in daily, then what is the implication we would like to see now, and based on that we'll approach the whole thing and see. I will analyze a little bit details so you understand. I beg your pardon, what happened here? Let me check. Yes, that is the mistake I did. So this is not D5, P5. This is P6. Our pattern 6 has evolved here now, and this is a official daily double top. Daily double top. This has evolved. Yesterday candle, this red candle confirmed that. Now what happened, if I explain it to you, it will be very easy on your part to understand. First of all, from P4 we went down to here, and it created a P5 in 4 hours double bottom. If we want, we can check it. You can see it has created a P4, P5. It has created a double bottom from here. Very clear double bottom. We can see it moved on. So let's get back to daily time frame. Now if we measure, let's put some of the legend of in daily, so chart looks a little bit clear in daily, and we can discuss. So from this P4 has created this P5. So if we measure the range here, the range is from here to here, which is 200, give and take 18 pips, and the market shoot up if we go up to 141. But if the same we see, if we want the whole 218 pips, we can see there it is reaching to this zone, which is half of our which is, can you guys see, 220, 218, something like this. So this and this is in sync, 219, and here we can see it is 200, 220. So here what the reason I am measuring this to visualize you guys one thing, that this is exactly in the place where this depth we measured and this depth is same on the upside and downside. When we previously calculated that as it broke off from this ranging after a long time, this is a long time it was ranging from here, so it will at least go up to this extent, and if not at least half of it, which we marked it earlier. This breakout is fake or genuine, that is now we are trying to confirm, because once it broke out of this zone, if it is genuine, then it will reach here and subsequently it will reach here. And we had that test yesterday, and the probability of that confirmation got higher now as it failed to get inside the range again. But today we are seeing some sorts of activity here, so we need to be cautious. So what we will do now? Should we take the trade on long, or should we get along with the short or sell? So what I'm trying to do is simple. This is the new double top which has been made after yesterday this confirmation, this guy, this red candle. So now we are going to measure that. So what we want to measure? This top has been made. Let us remove this for the time being. This top has been made from here. This guy, this bottom is responsible. So if we mark this bottom now, we can target this top. So if we measure the whole thing, it is 359 pips, and the half, you can see half of that is indicating this area. So there is a very high chances that the price will get inside this, and once the price get inside here, let's put it here. Once the price gets inside here, it will take this liquidity to go further up or come down, because if price it will come back here at least to take the liquidity from this zone. And apart from that, so this is, so let me do it again to show it to you clearly. This guy is the bottom responsible for this top, and the half is here. So as double bottom has been created, so the price is supposed to come back here at this 50%. Now if the price come back here, we think that it will go, yes, so if the price comes back here, then it will have the strength to break this barrier, this daily barrier. So let us see. And moreover, the thing I was thinking and not expressing, we have a very big you can see fair value gap left here, which has not been addressed yet. And this fair value gap is working as a magnet to pull the price back in this region. So I would like to check in 4 hours what is happening. In 4 hours, if we go now, we can see that yesterday it went up 1 2 3 4 5 candle went up, then it started pushing back, uh, pulling back on the downside. So we need to wait for the time being in 4 hours to see that if this line, the blue line you are seeing, if the candle goes up, then we can have a green candle here, then we can take a long. However, if it comes down and a green candle is developed, but that couldn't break this blue one, then we have to take for short, and we will do that from for the range from somewhere here to here, this area. But on the contrary, if the test this 4 hour candle becomes green, then we can go for long, and that will lead us to at least here, and that is the development we have for GBP. But however, in considering the daily time frame, it is my opinion to wait to take the trade somewhere from here. It is a safe zone rather than involving here right now, because the fair value gap needs to be addressed. So I will prefer to say in day time frame wait until it comes. Let me do it like this, that let it come here, let it retest, then we have a retest here, then it will go here. That is the way I will think, but it is your prerogative where you would like to trade, but this is the safe zone. Let's put it not here, we don't want it here, we want it here. On the contrary, if it breaks down, and maybe if it breaks down, come down to this region and retest and it fails, then we can have a scope of coming the price to this level. At least the price will come clearly in this area. So please be careful when you take the trade. We have a lot of trade every day, so it is not essential that we have to take every trade. But I prefer, in my own personal psychology, that I will take trade where I feel comfortable, and it goes for you also. So until the price comes here, as the double top has been formed, there is a huge rejection on the top, and the price is moving a little bit down. So I will wait the price to come here, address this fair value gap area, then maybe there will be a push after the retest. And if this if this retest fails, then it will break down to this area. We have nothing serious, a little bit of the glitches of fundamental changes, but I don't think there will be any serious impact on the whole pair. Structure will be respected in context of price action and market unfolding by the time goes. Take care. Bye bye. Please share your reviews. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and share.